$1,100 PC build? I got you! We going slideshow style. Ryzen 5 9600X. Any fan or AIO would work. Just make sure it's in the budget. I like this one. Cop yourself a B850 or a B650. B850s are typically more expensive. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 at 6000 megahertz would work. This one's the cheapest. Any NVMe SSD. I like this one from Silicon Power. And then for the GPU, get yourself a 9060 XT 16 gigabytes. Undisputed mid-range GOAT right now. Any B-tier PSU from the PSA tier list will work. This Thermaltake one is currently the cheapest. Get any one you like. I like this one because it comes with all the fans and it's only $74. Here's the full list for a total of $1,100 before taxes. Bye.